everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And I'm going to show you the projects for the Mixed Florals Bundle class in the mail kit. At the time of the taping of the video, I have one class left. That might have changed once the video goes live. But I still wanted to show you the projects. I also want to remind you, since it is the last day of the month, this is the last day to earn the February mini masterpiece. So it's a little T-bone from my darling dinos. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of February, when I send you your thank you card, I'll put you one of those in your card, and then I'll have a new one starting in March. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. During the live premiere, I am in the chat room, so you want to head on over there. That's where I'll be with my friends, and if you have any questions, just ask me in there, or comments or whatever. But if you are watching the replay, leave a comment down below and then YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you then. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to chit chat just at the beginning. So close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. So this is the Mixed Florals Bundle. It is such a gorgeous stamp set, and it has a coordinating die. So this is the class that I'm going to be showing you. And 78, and that includes the PDF, the supplies, postage, and yeah. So anyways, but these are the projects that you will be making for the class. So here's this first card, and then you'll use your own greeting set. So I just, happen to use this greeting, but you'll get that die will be in there. That die piece will be die cut it out for you, so you have that, to stamp on whatever greeting you want. You'll also get your bling, the bling that you'll need. And yeah, I love how this turned out. So you'll get get the supplies, and then you'll just use your inks and your blends to color your own cards. All right, so that's one. So you'll do 5 projects. So I thought I would share them so you can see how beautiful this class is. And here is this one. Love it. It's just such a pretty stamp set. It's drawn so lovely, and it is just so fun to color. And then here is the third one. And I kept calling these daisies, but somebody said they're cone flowers. But I think you can color them any color you want. And then there's the inside. I love this one. This actually, I'm using that Celebration DSP. It is so gorgeous. And then this one. So you'll get all your pieces. Again, you'll use your stamp set and your die and your own inks and your blends. But you have enough paper because you'll die cut out this die a couple times to kind of give that 3D kind of look to that. And then you'll have your ribbon, that you'll need, and the cute little ladybugs in there. And then the last card is this one here. And this uses that Mixed Media Designer Series paper. And I even put like a little ladybug on there, so you'll get that ladybug in your packet as well as your ribbon. But this is such a gorgeous, gorgeous set. And so yeah, I just wanted to share the cards so that if you did miss out, you still have time. So my classes are pretty popular, but sometimes, I'll still have an odd one here and there available, like this one, like I said. But don't forget, March class in the mail kit is still open, so you don't want to miss that. And that is the Friendly Seagulls, and you'll get a pack of the Sunny Days dots, and that class is $50. It includes a stamp set, the dots, the supplies for 5 projects, the PDF with close-up pics and supply list, priority postage, and then a private video link so you can make your projects along with me, you know, at your leisure. And that's USA only. So now this class right here goes out March 24th. This class is ready to go, so they will be going out this week. But I just love how they turned out. Oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful, beautiful set. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So that was a really quick die shorts, right? Just how they're supposed to be. So if you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. Again, it's the last day of the month. So if you're wanting the little mini masterpiece for February, make sure you order at least 75 before tax and shipping by the end of today, the 28th of February. Again, if you have any questions, holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a twist. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you Monday. Bye for now.